Yes, my people. I try to show the people in my yard and thing, but I drive on local road there. See the road where I drive on. Everybody where they are Jamaica knows, so I pay them road where I drive on right now. But for those who over foreign, and the road where I drive on right now. I try not to show the neighborhood. I say, I just dip down now and while ago. Alright. I try not to show the neighborhood and the area and thing, but I see all the patrol around the corner, then I have to go wide, come around. A road with the fan now. Road. I look on that. I try to come out of the car and go show another one here. I know somebody do it. Come out of the car and show another one here. Look on the one here now. See if I drop another one here. Alright. So deep that one there, be. People have to go on that one there, because if I drop another one there, you know it go already. Car wheel will go pop off. Take off the spoiler off of your car. And the main road is still enough, but this is a road. Oh, look here. Look at people. Alright, so I want to come like on a riverbed and things, so we have to take a look at time. I take you around a while to reach out there, so. We appear taxes and fitness and license vehicle and insure vehicle and all them something. Sorry I can't show no place that good still, but I road me I try to show no me people. So I come back down to my other look a wicked section that's again. Remember you know, the road I carry going there neighborhood and thing. Just bear with me there, look at people. I'm going to talk on this one, you know. I'm sorry, I didn't start a video from up the road. Because I didn't intend, you know. When I go up the road, I say, I have to video this, come back out. And I never remember till a while later. So. So my people, we up here something like 14,000 or 15,000. 14 or 15. I get a look at better road right now. So around 14 or 15, I forget how much you pay for license your vehicle for the year. Plus the fitness around close to 5,000. So you talk about around 20,000 right there, so. Right? So license your vehicle and the fitness. And then the insurance, you know they might get some money out of the insurance money. They might collect tax and everything out of that. Alright, so they get around 25,000 out of each person a year for the alright. But I want the government give me back my $20,000 and make me fix $20,000 worth of road. Suppose the government give back everybody then 25,000 or whatever. I make you fix a section of the road. And I think the whole of Jamaica road and I fix. Come on, people. Now fix the whole of Jamaica road and I fix if everybody get back then 25,000 where the government take to fix the road. Because the road not fix. The road not fix. You know something I like America to investigate and see what they do with the road money. And if America come back and tell me, say, well, them fix the road with them, not tell us a lie. Everybody not tell us a lie. Because we not see no road fix. But I want to investigate them. Because you pay for road fix, road for fix. Pothole, you see that? Alright. So you pay for road for fix, road for fix. And them now fix the road. Right now my car need shocks and front end work. Because the road are mash up here. So me all over America to investigate them, or England investigate them and see what they do with the road money. Only God can come and tell me, say, me that I put God now, because me hate to say what me I go say, so me not go say it. But we all know, say, yo, we all know what them are doing with the road money. So just want to chat about that for a little bit. So you know what I always say, my people, be blessed, one God.